Hello, welcome to my channel, the English Story Hub. Hello, I am Margarita. I have a great passion for reading books, and I often read horror or thrilling novels and stories. This incident happened when my friend Senorita told me about a witch in the library. I didn't believe her at first, but she challenged me to go alone to the library at night and see for myself. I usually go to the library to search for my favorite books and return home. The librarian is a good friend of my dad's, so he lets me take books home, and when I'm done reading, I return them, so I also got the keys to the library from him. I went to Uncle Christopher and told him that I needed to do some research in the library, which required me to spend the night there. He gave me the keys, but his expressions indicated that there was something more to it, and I started to believe my friend Senorita's story. However, I still wasn't completely convinced. It was already 12 o'clock at night when I left for the library. When I arrived, everything seemed normal. But after half an hour passed, I felt like someone called my name. I called out to ask who it was, but there was no response. Then it felt like someone was asking me for help. I followed the voice, and in one part of the library, I heard a girl crying. As I was searching for the source of the sound, it stopped suddenly, and someone touched my shoulder from behind. I was startled and looked back, but there was no one there. I calmly said, "Don't be afraid of me. Whoever you are, tell me your problem, and I'll help you." Then a young girl appeared. She had long curly hair, green eyes, and was wearing a beautiful dress. She looked very beautiful and delicate. I went closer to her and asked who she was. She told me her name was Juliet, and that she had fallen in love with a boy, but her family didn't agree to their relationship. So, they decided to run away and get married. When she ran away from home, the boy betrayed her, and after that, she felt so ashamed that she committed suicide. I asked her why she was here, and she said that the boy was the head of this place and had brought her here at this time. She told me that she wanted to be buried with dignity. I called my friend Senorita and asked her to come here. Then, together, we did as Juliet had instructed, and we buried her in the graveyard that very night, and Juliet disappeared. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's story. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.